What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for BitMine Immersion Technologies with the ticker symbol BMNR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at BMNR was last week. I believe it was on Sunday. It was basically October 4th, which was, I think it was Saturday actually. Yeah, it was Saturday. And it looked like price was trying to break out of this triangle pattern. I'm showing you guys that right now. So we had this lower high formation, at same time higher low formation, and price was right at the bullish trend line or the bearish trend line in this case, and then it broke through. Nice pop up on Monday. It looked like it was wanting to break out higher, and we saw immediate reversal today. So what's going to happen now? Well, again, bulls are attempting to make a measured leg up. Keyword is attempt. We had one leg up previously. Price corrected lower. The bulls are attempting to make the second leg up, and they usually will try in twos. So this was the first attempt that failed. Then we saw the second attempt. If this one leads to a harsh selling or momentum developing towards the downside, that'll tell me that the bears tried once, twice to reach that target to make a similar sized leg as before and failed. So that means they're not as strong as they once were, which, can lead to, a sell-off. At the same time, bears may be gaining ground to make a second leg down as well. After this pullback, all this could just be a pullback for a second leg down. You see that we had one leg down right here, and this all could just be a pullback for a start of a second leg down for the bears. So I'd say let's watch what happens here. If we see bearish momentum develop and breaking the bullish trend line right here, this is probably the line in the sand for the bulls. If we break this bullish trend line right around the low 50s, there's a good chance it's going to rush down towards the low 30s. That's basically what the chart is telling me. And that's right around the support right here, this prior support. So at the low 30s as well. So again, it could come down maybe just to back test that bearish trend line. That would be all good for the bulls, and then another attempt up higher, which would mean that we had one attempt, pull back first attempt, or let me just do that again. One attempt, pull back second attempt, pull back second attempt of the second attempt, which would mean that two small legs made one large leg anyway. So it'll be in a pair. So basically, we can still see another drive up by the bulls as long as we back test the trend line and then reverse from there strongly. Or if it's really bullish, we may just see, strong buying develop from here. All I'm saying is that it's in a zone where we can still see lower prices. It's not out of the woods yet. So what you want to see is price break down lower. If it wants to go down, maybe just stop right around the 40s, $57, $56 level, back test for support, and then reverse higher. That would be all good. If you see bearish momentum develop, you don't see the back test, and then you see price come back to support, you want to see the support hold. If not, there's a good chance it's going to break down lower towards the low 30s. So that's what BMNR is telling me. A little confusing or it's a little complicated on the chart. It's not a simple uptrend. It's not a simple downtrend. It's basically fair game for bulls or bears. Basically, the market is not really heavily imbalanced in one direction or the other. Right now, it can go up or down based on what the market wants to do. Is this a good spot to go short? No. Is this a good spot to go long? No, not in my opinion. You just have to wait and see what happens. But if you do break down lower, we hold, then it'd be a good spot to go long. If we break down lower, pull back, hold, it's a good spot to go short. So let's see what happens right around here. In the next few days, we'll be more confident in the direction the market wants to go or the market wants to take things. Looking at the weekly chart, it looks like still a bear flag pattern, a long-term bear flag big macro bear flag pattern, but that doesn't mean we can't continue higher in the short term. Sometimes you can, and then later you'll see a big drop lower. So BMNR, it's kind of up in the air right now. It's not really that strong. It's not really that bearish, but it's in a position to sell off if it can't recover as soon as possible. So all that for BMNR on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.